Hey, this is Anup, and today we'll be discussing about how we can create LinkedIn content with the AI automation. So do not wasting any time to search the content on the web. Let's the AI do the work for you. Welcome innovators. Today we will unlocking a powerful strategy, automating your social media post and deep research content using Tably API and AI. So every post not only stand out, it drives real engagement and credibility. So let's check. So you can see we have create a simple workflow with the AI agent. So it will took our topic name, that is from our Google Sheet, that you can see we have already created those things, and we have four left. The status is to do. That means we will just take the post title. Our AI agent will took the title and it will goes to Tably. And Tably, by the way, Tably is a third party API service that provides a market where it will search the content, many blogs, many articles, and it will take the top 10 article content and it will provide those content to our AI agent, and our AI agent will check and validate all the content, and it will create a unique content with the content that we received from Tably. So why we use this type of workflow to automate our process? So deep real-time content research. Tably API goes beyond surface level summarize, providing real-time web search at scale. Whether you are posting about tech, business, or your e-commerce site or public figures, Tably precise search and relevance scoring ensure that your content is based on the freshest, most reliable resource available. Using Tably, you can automate research tasks that once took hours. Drop a topic such as latest in generative AI into your workflow, and Tably will mine, filter, and aggregate up to 20 high quality score blog and article, automatically carting all the most relevant insight for you in the post. So this is a multi-agent intelligence workflow. So smart agentic workflow built with Tably and your favorite AI tool. Analyze content across the multiple domain. You can specialize agent for company news, market trends, or expert opinion, all running in parallel. This means your posts are not just quick but also multi-perspective and deeply nuanced. And by this video we will see how we can create this type of AI workflow to automate our content strategy without wasting our time and money to any third party agent or any third party organization. We can set up this type of content creator system so that we can schedule these things, and your AI will get all the content ideas and it will generate your content title, and it will update your Google Sheet once when you are in sleep. No more manual work. Now this is the era of AI. We should adapt our AI in our life to automate our tasks, data, and most of the work that we have done manually in the past days. So we took Google Sheet, Tably API, our AI agent, and Gmail trigger, and Google Sheet again to update the content. Now I will click on execute workflow, and it will take supercharge your workspace 10 AI automation that makes employees life easier. So I will click execute workflow. Now you can see it is fetching my topic and send to Tably. Tably provide the output, and our content creator is generating the content on behalf of us and updating our Google Sheet. Done, and it will send me an email that your content is ready, and boom, within 10 to 15 seconds our all content are ready. Now I will go to my Google Sheet. You can see we have within 5 to 10 seconds all four topic is ready for posting our any social media. So that this is great, and now it's time, and I will show you the email I received in my mailbox. So I'll hit refresh. Yes, you can see I received four email. That is this one: supercharge your workplace, AI influencer and hyper realistic. AI as spirit guide, AI for human connection. We received 4 emails that with our content. So this is great. So you can have this type of workflow in your organization if you are a content creator, or you are managing any organization social media. You can have this type of AI automation so that your life will be easy. You just click within a button and your post will be ready to publish. So now I will go through the workflow how we can build this type of AI workflow within the N8. So now I will click, so I will just copy these things, and so I will make these things on over. So I will just click, I will directly take Google Sheet. For this you need to just click on Google Sheet and you need to take get row in the sheet. That means it will fetch the records from our Google Drive, and you need to just add your Google Sheet name, that is the document name, Google document name, LinkedIn post, and after that you need to just select the sheet 1, because I took the name, because my sheet name is sheet 1. Now I will just delete this one so that it should be to do, and we will check AI for human connection again. Or I just change how AI can save our time in so I put the post title that how AI can save our time daily in office. So next you need to just add a filter. That means the status it will fetch to do. So you need to just add to do, and whatever, like the whatever post title that are in to do status, it will fetch all those records. So if I click on to do, you can see the row number 15, how I can save our time daily in office. So this is our post title. Now I will add a http node. So this is actually we need to call the Travely API via http. So I just copy the URL. So this is the URL, api.tavily.com/search, and you need to have your own token so that you can just call that Tavily API. So I will click on this. This will be a post and URL will be this, and I will just copy the authorization, and you need to just select send query parameter, and this is the value, and the header we need to just send the name authorization with the bearer one. So you need to just name, this is the query parameter, name should be authorization and the bearer is your token. But this is a you need to just create your own Tavily API key. Don't use my key, I will delete after this video. So please don't copy my key, and it will be a post request. And now we need to just click on the send body, because we will send a JSON output. So I will copy the JSON. So you need to just click send body, because we need to send the JSON input through the with the body using JSON parameter. So I will just paste this thing. So here we have mentioned the search, the web for our post title, topic will be general, and search depth will be basic, and it will took last 7 days content, and it will just give me 3 result. And if I just update is to 10, it will give me 10 result. So depending on the user input, it will give me the output. So next we will add a AI agent. So AI, you just need to click on AI agent, and you need to click on the define below, because we are not using chat trigger. And lastly I will just copy the prompt that we received from our HTTP node, that is from the Tavily, and also the system message. So I will show you the prompt and the system message also. So this is, so I just simply pass the article 1 is this, article 2 is this, and article 3 is this, that we will receive from Tavily. And next you just need to if I click on this, you can see my prompt that you are an AI agent responsible for generating concise, inspiring LinkedIn posts targeting enterprise entrepreneurs, targeted at entrepreneur based on the content of this given article. So I have like provide some prompt. You can have your own prompt. You just need to go any AI and you can just ask to write the prompt and you can just paste over N18. And next you need to add a chat model, because without chat model your AI agent is nothing. So you need to, for this I will say I will use Google Gemini for this. So you need to create your own credential in Google Gemini and you need to add your credential in N18 to call the LLM. So next we will again use a Google Sheet. Now our operation will be update row in the sheet. That means whatever the row we fetch, we will update that. So this is my document name and this is my sheet name and the combination, and it will just update the status to done. So I will just write done. And next also I will just add a Gmail node that will send an email to me that your post is ready. So now we will just add these things and I will just copy the topic name, or let's detach these things as of now. So I will just go through this thing. Now I will just click on execute step and our we call tabili, and in within 1 to 2 seconds we receive 3 articles. So you can see this is the Quora article and this is the Microsoft article and this is the HBR article. So we received 3 articles, and if I just click on the JSON, you can see this is the URL, title, and the score. Because Tabili also provide the score of the article. So now I will click on the AI agent. Our article is ready, and I will just click on execute workflow. Now within a second our article will be ready and it will be uploaded in the Google Sheet. So you can see we have received our LinkedIn post article. So next I will just attach these things and email. So if I status is done, this is wrong. We need to add a Google Sheet to update the row, not get the row. So we will update the row. We need to update LinkedIn post. We need to just update the post. So it will be the content, and you can just drag the time that is the updated on which date we have created the article, and just we need to do we don't we will delete the post title because we have already this, and status will be done. So that's it. I will click on execute workflow and match on parameter is missing. Oh sorry. Now you can just update this thing with the row number. You just need to drag the row number over here and click on execute workflow, and your post is updated. And if I go, you can see the status updated to done and the date is updated. Right now we have received the content and it is updated in our Google Sheet. Now it's time to add send them email also. So I will post so the post subject will be this and the message will be the output. So this is very simple things. So you just click execute and your email is sent and you should have the mail. Yes, you can see how I can save our time daily in office. So this is entrepreneur AI is not just about efficiency, it is just strategic partner. Leverage AI to conquer routine task and matter of your time management. But here is the real part: don't just leave time, reinvest. Use those sit-up hours for innovation, growth, and high-impact decision. Make every minute count, and it also generate the hashtag for me. And you can see this is quite good, and we can post these things in our LinkedIn. So That's it for today's video, and please hit subscribe, like my video, and comment below if you need any assistance to creating this type of AI workflow. Please do let me know, and I need suggestion from your end in which topic I should create the tutorial video or the demo video for you. So thank you guys, thank you, see you in the next video, have a nice day, bye bye.